Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add a catalog in a WhatsApp business. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and link your number to your account, which if you're having a hard time doing, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to WhatsApp videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here guys, we have the official WhatsApp business application, where you can see that we have some few tabs. We have the updates, we have the calls, we have the tools, which we are in now, we have the chats, and we have the settings option. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a catalog in WhatsApp business. To do so guys, click on the bottom right corner, click on the settings option. And when you're in the settings option guys, the thing that you will need to find is the business tools. So you can see that it's in the top of the screen. So we have advertise and we have the business tools as the second one. Click there. Then when you click there, as you can see, it is pretty easy guys. You have the second option underneath the profile option. You have the catalog option. Click on catalog option. And here guys, you can go and add a catalog. And that's basically how you can do it guys. As you can see, it's just a few steps. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us guys grow the channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, please do this because this really helps us and it will be pretty cool. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, and I'll be seeing you guys as always in the next video. Bye guys.